Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing well. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use Google Classroom as a student, from joining a class to submitting an assignment. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important features. To join a class, first of all, go to classroom.google.com or simply open the Google Classroom app on your phone. After opening Google Classroom on your phone, first of all, to join a class, make sure you are signed in with your school account. After signing in, simply click the plus sign at the below. After clicking here, choose join class and enter a code that teacher gave you. Simply click join class and enter a code that teacher gave you and simply join it. After joining it, once you are in, you will see two main tabs. The stream tab is when your teacher posts an announcement. The classroom tab is where all your assignment, quizzes and material are posted. Now to submit an assignment, simply go to the classroom tab. As you can see, here is the classroom tab. After going on classroom tab, click on an assignment and then tap add or create to upload files. As you can see, there is the assignment. Simply click on it and simply click on add work. Then upload your files to start a new document. Once you are done, turn in or hand in or submit. You can also click here new attachment. Here are the quizzes. And that's how you use Google Classroom as a student, simple and organized. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tips, and see you in the next one.